Today the story that we're going to read is called Find the Shapes. Remember, good readers ask and answer questions as they read through the story. So let's begin by listening to some of it.
Find the shapes. Look around you. What shapes do you see? Some objects have more than one shape. What shapes can you find in each object?
So what shapes do you see on this picture right here? I see a pumpkin that is round, but I see triangles inside of that pumpkin. Here I see a square placemat. On it I see a round plate. On that plate looks like a round pancake. And these look like square marshmallows. Over here I see balls all lined up in the shape of a triangle. But each ball is the same shape of a circle. Some of the circles have a little circle painted on them with a number in it. Look at this picture. It starts out as a brown square. And then inside that you have triangles. And on those triangles you have round marbles. So a lot of times shapes are inside of one another. We don't just see one shape and that's it. Let's keep reading to see what other shapes we can find.
Many things may have the same shape, but they are different in other ways. Name the picture that solves the riddle. I have a square shape. I am soft to touch. What am I?
So we have a riddle to solve here. I am a square shape. Both of these are square. I am soft to the touch. What am I? Is it the picture or the pillow? It's the pillow, isn't it? Because a pillow is soft and squishy to the touch. What makes these two squares different? Besides one being a pillow and one being a picture, what else makes them different? The pillow is soft, and the picture and the blocks, those are hard. Okay, let's listen to the next page. This is another riddle.
I have a circle shape. I can bounce on the floor. What am I?
I have a circle shape and I can bounce on the floor. Does a yo-yo usually bounce on the floor? Not usually, does it? What about a basketball? Sometimes those bounce on the floor. Up here are marbles, and they might hit a little bit, but usually they roll. But what bounces on the floor is this basketball right here. Okay, let's keep going.
I have a rectangle shape. I am long and wide. I can give you a ride. What am I?
So we see a doll, a present, and a bus that all have the rectangle shape. But it also says, I am long and wide. I can give you a ride. Which one of these could give you a ride? It would be the school bus, wouldn't it? Let's listen to this next one.
I have a triangle shape. The wind makes me move. I am made of cloth. What am I?
So we have a pyramid here. It's a triangle, but it's made of stone. So do you think the wind makes it move? No. Plus, it's made of cloth, so it doesn't answer the riddle. Here is a triangle-shaped instrument. It's actually called a triangle in music class. But is this triangle made of cloth? No. The wind could make it move, but it's not made of cloth, so that's not it either. Let's listen to the riddle again.
I have a triangle shape. The wind makes me move. I am made of cloth. What am I?
What about the sailboat up here? It's a triangle. It's made of cloth, and the wind can catch that big piece of cloth and move it. That's the answer to the riddle.
We see shapes at school. We see shapes in nature. We see shapes at home. What shapes do you see?
What shapes do you see here? The globe's a circle. The watermelon's a triangle. The dice are squares. There's all kinds of shapes, aren't there? Thank you for listening to this book with me today.